Hello guys, let me show you how to use the voice assistant on your Samsung Galaxy S20. So for the first we have to go to the settings and click on accessibility, screen reader, and now click on this marker to activate the voice assistant. And right now we have to click once on the allow to select this button, and now do this 2 times, and the same for the one-handed mode, once and 2 times. Yeah, and if you wanna go for the tutorial, for example, click once and 2 times. So it works for every action. And if you wanna of course turn off the voice assistant, just click and hold here. So yeah, this is how it looks on this device. Thank you for watching. Leave likes, subscriptions and comments below.